In this video, I'll show you how to run a system update for K9ERP. The first thing to note is you do have to have your user group marked as administrator in order to do this. First thing being that you won't see the system maintenance menu unless you're part of that group. So if you don't see this and you're the one responsible for the updates, speak to your administrator. So the first indication you'll have that there is a system update is, of course, this little red icon over there. If there's an update available, you'll have it. And if you just follow the icon over here, system management to system update, you'll see it. Another indicator is on help and about. You'll have the versions, and it's going to tell you over here, this is the version you're running, and here's the latest version. So we do have a small incremental version there. And finally, you may receive an email if you're part of that group that receives those. So basically, to perform an update, all you need to do is, first of all, you want to make sure to get everybody out of the system. It is definitely recommended that nobody be in the system. If you're not sure who's in, you go to System Maintenance, User Management, and Active Users. This will show you who's logged in and where they're logged in from. Either again, touch them to log out, or you can go ahead and force them out. Keep in mind they will be able to log back in, so you may want to actually notify them. So basically, all we need to do is system maintenance, system management, and system update. A couple things here to keep in mind. Right now we're only jumping a very small incremental version update here. But in any case, even if there are several updates, or it's been a while since you last updated and there's quite a few that have accumulated, all the system is going to do is install the latest one. So you don't have to do one at a time, and it's not a very tedious process. You do have the option to back it up if you want. However, the system update will create a backup anyway, so you really don't need to do that. The only thing you need to do is go ahead and click Update Application. It'll ask you, are you sure? Hit yes. A couple of things to keep in mind while this is running. If you have multiple companies set up within K9, this will update all the companies. So you don't have to run this update for each company. It's only one shot. And the second thing to keep in mind is, of course, you're running an update for all users. This is not per user or per computer. So everything you're going to do over here has to be just be done once. You're going to affect every company under your parent company and every user's interface. One more note as this is running, you want to make sure that you don't leave this page while this update is occurring. It may still run in the background, of course, while you're not there, but you might receive some issues when you do log back in. So please make sure to stay on this page. And there we go. Once the update completes, it's going to go ahead and refresh and bring you back to the same screen. So really what you just want to make sure is that your current version and the installed version match. Once you do that, you're good to go. At this point, you can invite users back into the system. They can continue working. Just one thing, if they do experience any kind of issues and you do see anything odd going on, you can go ahead and try to refresh your browser, basically clear out all its history. In that case, everything will load up fresh and should be okay. Again, if you continue experiencing issues, feel free to contact your implementer.